Before DJI even makes a single official announcement, the new DJI Avata 360 is already showing up for pre-order at a US retailer, and that's causing a lot of buzz. Leaked images and bundle details are circulating online, making this drone feel much closer to release than anyone expected. For anyone who's been itching for something innovative, immersive, and genuinely surprising, this leak is definitely worth a closer look. The pre-order listings are the first eye-catching detail. A US retailer has put the DJI Avata 360 up for pre-sale, showing stock tracking, accessory options, and reservation-style listings. Typically, this doesn't happen unless a launch is imminent or the retailer feels confident enough to risk early exposure. However, the twist here is that this particular retailer isn't an authorized DJI dealer, which adds a layer of caution for anyone thinking about buying. From the images circulating, it's clear DJI is approaching bundles strategically. The base package is extremely minimalist. Just the Avata 360 drone with a battery installed, spare propellers, mounting screws, a small camera protector designed for FPV use, and a USB-C cable. That's it. No goggles, no controller, no extra batteries, no case. This bundle seems targeted at existing DJI FPV enthusiasts who already have compatible equipment and simply want the drone itself without duplicating gear. Then there's the more standard ready-to-fly option, often called the Fly Smart Combo. This package seems aimed at welcoming new users into the DJI FPV ecosystem. Along with everything included in the base bundle, buyers get DJI goggles, a motion controller, 3 batteries, and all necessary charging accessories. Essentially, you open the box, charge the gear, and you're ready to fly. This combo reduces confusion, avoids compatibility headaches, and offers a smoother first-time FPV experience, which is great for newcomers. For those who hate worrying about battery life and want to be fully prepared, the FlyMore combo takes things to the next level. It includes everything in the standard bundle but adds multiple extra batteries, a dedicated charging hub, spare propellers, and a structured hard carrying case. On top of that, the leaked images indicate the inclusion of Goggles 3, a higher-end option built for long flying sessions and serious content creation. This bundle screams convenience, fewer interruptions, and ready-for-anything travel. It's likely that these leaked bundles represent only a portion of what DJI might officially offer, hinting at a wider range of options yet to come. Of course, it's important to pause for a reality check. DJI has not officially confirmed the Avata 360, and the retailer taking pre-orders isn't authorized. Some listings suggest the units could be unsealed, already activated, or imported internationally, which raises concerns about warranty coverage, firmware updates, and final retail configurations. The retailer seems more like a drop shipper than an official DJI partner, so buyers need to exercise extreme caution before placing an order. Pricing adds another layer of discussion. Current pre-order listings show a wide range. The bare-bones base bundle with a single battery is around $999.99. A FlyMore bundle that includes 1 battery and the RC2 controller is listed at $1,299.99. The top-tier FlyMore bundle, which comes with 3 batteries, a charging hub, a carrying case, and the RC2 controller, reaches $1,799.99. There's also a listing for a single Avata 360 unit at $1,799.99, marked as new but unsealed and already activated. Another premium motion FlyMore bundle with the RC2 controller and Goggles N3 is expected in the same $1,799 range. So, the big question for the FPV community is, which option actually makes sense? Do you go minimal with the base bundle, find balance with the standard combo, or go all in with the fully loaded FlyMore package? Each bundle seems carefully designed to cater to different types of pilots, whether you're an experienced user looking to upgrade, a newcomer ready to dive in, or a content creator chasing long, uninterrupted sessions. It's fascinating to see how DJI might be expanding options before any official word, and the community's response is sure to be lively once the official launch happens.